Hey, my name is Lila, and you would probably like to know how to lose weight fast. Well, it depends how fast you want to lose it. As fast as a sloth, as fast as a horse, as fast as a sports car, as fast as a spaceship. And to tell you a little secret, you already have the answer in the question. Fast. Long-term weight loss depends on how fast you want it. How fast is the fast? The faster it is, the higher the risk that it will crash. Crash. How many times have you seen a sloth crash? Or a horse crash into a tree. There's quite a high chance with a sports car. And spaceships have the ability to crash on their own. Just think about Apollo 1. Let me tell you something. Long-term starvation is the worst way to lose weight. Of course, on a long term. If you want it fast, you can fast as long as you want. Don't get me wrong, it is very good for healing, but it puts the body and mind into fast-storing mode. The faster you want to lose weight, the more you starve yourself, the more unsustainable it's going to be. The higher the risk that it's gonna crash. Crash. Unfortunately, it's not a crash. I only have crash on Mr. Chocolate, not on the crash diets. Solution? Weight loss is much more complicated than calories and exercise. Vitamins, minerals, hormones can play a huge role in it. If you are scared of a car crash, jump on my weight loss wagon, because it's safe, it's profound, and I promise you, you won't have to starve yourself to death. And you don't have to be moody and depressed, and you're gonna be happy. I will teach you how to lose weight safely and fast, and how to make permanent changes to actually keep your weight off forever. More videos are coming related to weight loss. If you would like to have more free information, click the link in the description and you can watch 30 minutes of me talking to you about weight loss secrets and everything that will change your life forever, and you will never have to starve yourself again and crash. Love you, Mr. Chocolate. Hey, it's me again. I'm hiding behind the curtain just to tell you that jump on my immense information overload that's coming in the next months. If you don't, fast you.